threading your machine is only half the battle. Before you can start sewing and using the machine, you also have to put in what is called the bobbin. The bobbin is the thread that's on the bottom, so the two work together to create a tight seam, right? In order to put the bobbin in, you need to first remove the front section of your machine. This might be a little different on each machine, but it comes off to the side or pops to the front. And you can just set that aside. You don't need that part. Next, you want to open this up and you'll find the bobbin casing here, okay? And it's made up of a couple different parts. Now, on all of our machines, it's very helpful because there is a lovely little picture here just below the bobbin casing, which shows exactly how to put the bobbin into the machine, okay? If I hold this with the little clip going to the left, just like this, I want to have my bobbin going into the machine where the thread is pointing to the right, okay? So this little guy and the thread are going in opposite directions from each other, okay? Then you pull the thread and it's gonna pop into this little slit in the bobbin casing here. So now what you've created is a thread that curves around to the right and then bends back to the left, just like this, okay? The next step is to grab the little, there's a little metal part on the back, okay? You wanna grab that and you wanna keep your bobbin up, otherwise it'll dump the bobbin out, okay? So keep it up like this. And then we're just gonna pop it onto, you'll see when you look in there, the casing has a little hole. It slides right in there. And turn it until you hear it snap. It'll be very clear, it snaps right into place, okay? Now, you have one thread down here, one thread up here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the knob on the right side towards us. And as we do that, it will pull the thread from the bobbin up towards the needle. You can see that lovely little loop. And then I just wanna grab that, and now I have both of my threads on the top of the machine, okay? At that point, I can close this back up. Raise my presser foot, and I can put the front of my machine back on, and now I'm ready to sew.